1, 2, 3, 4, 5 robots underway. All 3 of the blue robots into the courtyard of the Red Alliance. 2 of the 3 red robots in the blue courtyard. 2398 yet to move here in autonomous mode. 25-20 to score. The Blue Alliance with the lead as autonomous mode comes to an end and the drivers step up and take control. 2398 problems right away as they get high centered on top of one of the boulders. See if they can get themselves work clear of that. 932 looking to put a ball in the low goal as the circuit chargers slowly crawling up. They drop it through the low goal. Nicely done. 2398 right now trying to find a way through the portcullis. They've got a boulder in front of them. See if they can get it scooped up. And it got themselves into the secret passage of the Blue Alliance. Trying to get themselves off of that boulder. Now they're in the courtyard of blue. 932 right now, the circuit chargers looking to vacuum up another boulder. And 2341 making their way across the rough terrain twice. That defense is now damaged. They're going to work on the Cheval de Frise. They've got themselves in position. They drop them now. They're up and across. Nicely done by the Red Alliance. Blue Alliance back into the secret passage. Up and over. 3498 clearing the moat. Very nicely done by the Red Alliance. They have themselves a 42-46 disadvantage though as the Blue Alliance currently holds the lead. And they're going to try to extend that with a shot in the low goal by the circuit chargers. They're in position. They shoot in and out. They'll shoot again, and it stays for the Blue Alliance. 58-52 now the score at the 55-second mark in the match. Drawbridge is down. Let's see if they can get any of their teammates back across. And 3498 through the drawbridge, and all the defenses have been breached by the Red Alliance. Looking to get through the portcullis, 2765, trying to get themselves in position. They've got a boulder causing all kinds of problems. They are finally there. There is your 30-second horn, up and underway. 2795 for the Blue Alliance on the batter. 932 on the batter. 2765 trying to get on the batter. 3498 on the batter. 2341 not able to climb. We're down to the final 10 seconds. They are now able to climb. Look at that. Nicely done. 2341. A beautiful climb by the Red Alliance Rockets. And time expired.